write any two quadratic equation as your choice. Any two quadratic equation. Take any variables x, y, m, a as it is. Write some examples. First example is x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Second example is 5y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. You can write more examples of this. Then question number second. Decide which of the following are the quadratic equations. First example is given, that is x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Decide this given example is quadratic equation or not. In this example, in only one variable x, and maximum index of this equation is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Second example is given, y square equal to 5y minus 10. It can be written in the general form as y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. It is given example in variable y and its maximum index is 2. Therefore, it is also a quadratic equation. So, it is quadratic equation. Example number third, y square plus 1 by y equal to 0. Multiply this equation by y, then we have y cube plus 1 equal to 0. It can be also written as, but it is not necessary. Their maximum index is 3. So, it is not a quadratic equation. Then, example number 4, x plus 1 by x equal to minus 2. Multiply this equation by x. Then we have x square plus 1 equal to minus 2x. Take all terms to the LHS. Then x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here the maximum index is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Then our second question is, write the given equation in standard form and then find the values of a, b and c. I take some examples. There are 6 examples. Number 1, 2y equal to 10 minus y square. Write this equation in standard form or general form. 2y equal to 10 minus 1, that is y square plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we have a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c equal to minus 10. Take another examples. X minus 1 bracket square equal to 2x plus 3. First solve this bracket. X minus 1 bracket square. Its square is x square minus 2x plus 1. As we solve the a minus b bracket square. Similarly, here square of first term minus 2 into first term into second term means minus 2x, and square of the second term minus 1 square is plus 1. and equal to 2x plus 3. Take all terms to the LHS, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, and therefore x square minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 2. Then we saw another one examples. That is x square minus 9 equal to 13. X square minus 9 equal to 13. X square minus 9 minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore x1 minus 22 equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 0x minus 22 equal to 0. Here middle term, that is 0x, in the standard form the term of x here coefficient we take 0. So comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get value of a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 22.